How to remove background in Photoshop. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get started, I want you to head over to the layers, and then I want you to unlock this one, and then you're going to click it and then head over to select, click this, and then go ahead and click the subject here. Alright, so now I think the subject is chosen well. Now, if you're seeing something like this, go ahead and try to look for that quick selection tool, and then you're just going to go ahead and hit Alt, and then just go ahead and try to erase that one until you are seeing something like this. So I think that is done pretty well. Now we can go ahead and proceed. Again, go ahead and click this layer of yours, click select, and then go ahead and click select and mask. You can also just click Alt Control R, and here's what we have right now. So from this point forward, I want you to look for the Smart Radius option here on the properties. Go ahead and click this one, and then put some values here, say for example 9 to 12. So I'm just going to go ahead and sell for 10 this time, and that way it is actually going to give us a little bit of that space there. And then down here, what you are going to do is just decontaminate this one and then click OK. And afterwards, you are seeing this very amazing picture. So if you want to compare this one, you can just go ahead and click this. And now you're seeing it. And then you can go ahead and move it to wherever you want. And that is how to remove background in Photoshop.